Thank you for visiting the Waterkotte website and our Money Laundering Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with money laundering in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your money laundering charge. Contact one of our Missouri Money Laundering Defense Lawyers today at 314-900-HELP to protect your rights and future. Waterkotte is committed to handling all money laundering defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our money laundering defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Money Laundering Defense Lawyers in Missouri. If you or someone you know has been charged with money laundering in Missouri, it is crucial to contact a reputable white-collar crime defense lawyer right away. Waterkotte has the knowledge and experience necessary to defend you against money laundering charges and minimize the impact they have on your life. Money Laundering Lawyer in Missouri. Money laundering laws punish people for hiding the source of ill-gotten gains. However, they can also trip up unsuspecting businesses and individuals who structure financial transactions improperly. The attorneys at Waterkotte have helped clients facing criminal charges for over 50 years. We can tailor a criminal defense strategy to your specific situation and the facts of your case to protect your rights and pursue a positive outcome. Call a Waterkotte Money Laundering Defense Lawyer now at 314-900-HELP. or contact us online for a free, confidential consultation. U.S. and Missouri state laws criminalize certain types of financial transactions because they may be used to do the following: facilitate the commission of crimes, frustrate criminal investigations, conceal the source of money, cryptocurrency, and securities, allow people to spend illegally acquired cash. For example, suppose that someone is involved in drug trafficking. Carrying a large stack of cash into the bank looks suspicious if the person wants to use the financial system. Instead, they might give the money to a business that returns it in the form of a paycheck. This process is known as laundering money. By banning certain financial activities, money laundering laws increase the difficulties criminals face when acquiring or using their money. These laws also give the government a new angle for attacking criminal enterprises, going after the money itself. Laws against money laundering in Missouri. Missouri Money Laundering Statute. The Missouri Anti-Money Laundering Statute, Revised Statutes of Missouri, Section 574.105, prohibits conducting or attempting financial transactions for the purpose of promoting or aiding criminal activity, concealing the nature, location, source, ownership, or control of criminal activity proceeds, avoiding federal financial transaction reporting requirements, furthering a terrorist threat or act. In 2022, Missouri updated the law to include cryptocurrencies in the definition of monetary instruments. Transactions can include purchases, sales, loans, deposits, wire transfers, and more. Importantly, structuring a transaction to avoid financial reporting requirements is money laundering, even if the money is otherwise legal. Federal Money Laundering Statute. Federal law prohibits financial transactions involving unlawful proceeds with intent to promote criminal activity, violate the tax code, conceal the source of funds, avoid reporting requirements, This law covers activities such as bribery, bank fraud, terrorism, trafficking, and many more federal crimes. Criminal Activity Forfeiture Act. The Missouri Criminal Activity Forfeiture Act, CAFA, allows authorities to seize any property used or derived from criminal activity. This means laundered property can be legally confiscated by the state. Possible defenses against money laundering charges in Missouri. Your skilled Combs. Waterkotte, Missouri Money Laundering Defense Lawyer will tailor a defense to your situation. Possible strategies include alibi. We can present evidence proving you didn't commit the crime, including documentation or witnesses showing you weren't involved in the alleged transactions. Lack of knowledge or intent. Missouri law requires proof that you acted purposely. If you unknowingly handled illicit funds, such as acting as a third party in a legitimate transaction, we may argue that you lacked the intent necessary for a conviction. Innocent business involvement. You may have facilitated a transaction in your professional role, e.g., as a realtor or accountant, without knowledge of criminal activity. In this case, you may also keep commissions or fees earned legally under CAFA. How a Combs-Waterkotte money laundering defense lawyer can help in Missouri. If you're facing money laundering charges in Missouri, choosing the right criminal defense attorney can make all the difference. At Combs-Waterkotte, we provide a team of experienced white-collar crime defense attorneys who assess the details of your case and investigate it thoroughly to determine the most effective strategy. We are dedicated to getting you the best possible outcome. What can happen if you fail to hire Combs-Waterkotte for a money laundering charge in Missouri? You could face maximum penalties, including up to 20 years in prison and millions in fines. Without experienced legal representation, prosecutors may stack multiple charges against you. You risk losing valuable assets and property through aggressive civil forfeiture. A conviction can permanently damage your professional reputation and future career prospects. You may unknowingly waive important constitutional rights during questioning or investigation. Judges and juries may not hear your side clearly without a skilled trial attorney on your side. Financial evidence could be misinterpreted without expert analysis and defense strategy. You might miss opportunities to reduce or dismiss charges through plea deals or negotiations. Why choose Combs-Waterkotte to defend you from money laundering charges in Missouri? We've successfully handled more than 10,000 cases in Missouri. Our criminal defense attorneys, including a former prosecutor, understand how to challenge financial crime charges from every angle. We use our legal insight and experience with white-collar crimes to protect your business, your finances, and your freedom. How we can defend you when you're accused of money laundering in Missouri. We'll begin with your side of the story, analyze financial records, and consult experts as needed. Then, we'll build a custom strategy to pursue a dismissal or favorable deal. If the prosecution won't negotiate fairly, we'll take your case to trial and push for acquittal with aggressive, strategic advocacy. Contact Combs-Waterkotte to discuss your Missouri money laundering charges. Money laundering charges could mean prison time, major fines, and the loss of your property. Call 314-900-HELP or contact us online now for a free consultation. Let us fight to protect your reputation and your future.